I know everyone has wondered what has happened to the blade or the brush hog. That's why you have multiple cameras in operation, because you'll lose the footage. Hopefully you guys are getting that. This is how it's been turning out. We're going to go with this. This will be the third time in the life of this blade that I've replaced the bolts. So this time I'm going to resort to making this tighter, tight, back it off a turn, so this is not loose. And I know everybody always leaves this loose. I just think that's a bad idea, but and then I'll put a little weld on that, or ping it. That is the plan. Whoa, this is way too tight. Okay, here's an example right here, folks. I have it tight, and back it off a quarter, right? Or so. Why am I making it hard on you? Okay, that's about a quarter. Right. I am going to clean that up with the wire wheel. Hope you guys looking at my foot. I like that one, folks. But what just happened? Is the crescent? Oh, the crescent was big. The crescent was big to start with. That's not going to work. Wait a second, did that one just move? No. No. No, 4. This, which goes onto this. It's usually goes very easy, folks. It usually does. Wait. Let me point my camera down so you guys get to see it this time. And oh, wait a second. I need to weld that. So actually, what is going to happen with that? It's just going to get sheared off is what it's going to get. I should weld a little circle in that bolt. Let's do that, folks. Huh. I don't know, what do you call this? Dancing with the parts. Oh, dancing with the parts. Shouldn't take very long. And I have my new gloves and my new face shield. Let's do that. Let's do that.